Hey, what's up, y'all? Thank you for 6K. I get this question a lot. What do I use to make videos? Well, right here, I record on a GoPro Hero 7 silver, like this color. But I used to mount on my head, this little head mount strap. Got it for 10 bucks with a lot of other vlog stuff kit. It was on Amazon. This, like a little holder, tripod, a bunch of helmet mounts. Oh, this little vlog stick. So, yeah. And of course, I use my folder there under that. Oh, and vlogs like this right now, I use the iPhone 11, my personal phone, because that's what I use anytime I go somewhere in public. Also, what else do I use? Oh, to edit my videos. This is asked a lot. This app's only on iPhone. I use it because it's free and it's simple to use. Because most other ones are like hard to navigate, kind of, or to use, or you have to pay for. It's called iMovie. The logo is purple with a little white camera. But yeah, just wanted to answer that question. Thank y'all for watching. Thanks for 6K, of course. Means a lot. Gotta get 10K now.